Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix a trading that's disabled in MT5. Now, there's two main reasons this actually happens. One is when you actually have a new account, okay? Because if you have never made a deposit and your account is brand new, trading will actually be disabled until you make your first deposit to your account. And once you deposit funds, your account will be automatically activated for trading. Now, the other one is actually having an inactive account. Because if your MT5 account, MetaTrader 5 account, has been inactive for 30 days or more, your trading will be temporarily disabled. So if you need to enable a trading on your account, what you need to do is just make sure you log in, deposit funds, and just place a trade within 30 days. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.